Hey guys, it's Rahim. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. In this short video, I'm going to share with you 7 low risk passive recurring income streams that could help you build your wealth. You see, in order for you to be successful and make money work for you, it's important for you to understand what are the low risky income streams you can incorporate in your lifestyle in order to make you passive recurring income. Before we get to that, I'd like to thank every individual who subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, I really would appreciate you to smash that subscribe button because the channel is growing immensely. Subscribing and liking the channel will help the algorithm to push our videos to wider audience that would benefit from it as well. So thank you for doing that. If you haven't done it, smash that subscribe button now. Smash it. I'm waiting for you. Smash it. Brilliant. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. So what is the first low risky passive income stream you could take advantage of? One of the best ways to do your investment is to think about what you could do to get your recurring income whilst putting minimum amount of money in it, especially at the beginning when you have not got that enough money to get you going in your investment. So you may be thinking, how do you start that? The number one thing you want to think about is, do you own a car? Suppose you own a car, you might not be using that car all the time. You might be working maybe 7 or 8 hours. So during the 7 or 8 hours, that car is idle doing nothing. So have you thought about perhaps renting that car out whilst you're at work, especially if you live in London, where you're working in the sector? There are congestion charges everywhere and you're not able to take your car to work, or you hardly even use your car, for example. Have you thought about renting it out to companies that would allow you to list your car as if you're listing something to sell online, so that people can hire your car in a regular basis the time you want them to hire it? Obviously, it's not like it has to be there all the time. You can literally pick the time and days you want to put your car out there for a hire. You may be thinking, what company said this? We have company like Hire Car, for example, is HIYA car. We also have Turo, and we also have the like of Get Around. So Google these companies. This may be one of the ways you could actually use the car you're actually having that is currently liability to you because you only use it over the weekend, or you only use it when actually you are not working. If you are most people, you're working almost 5 days a week, and with long hours as well. So instead of having that car sitting around doing nothing, have you thought about putting it in those platforms? Number 2, real estate crowdfunding, property crowdfunding. There are lots of them in the UK. Suppose you haven't got 50, 60 or 100,000 pounds to start your property investment journey, or perhaps you don't really want to deal with tenants, or you don't like to manage properties, or maybe you don't just like to be involved in buying or acquiring assets. Have you thought about investing instead? There are platforms out there that you can invest your hard-earned cash for passive recurring income. It starts from £2,000 up to £1 million, for example. You've got these platforms out there. If you don't want to get involved in it and you like what you're doing, you like your job, for example, or you're making enough income but it's not enough yet for you to start buying properties, have you thought about investing in those crowdfunding platforms that will give you at least passive recurring income? That could be another way you can start a low risk in business that will make you passive recurring income without actively getting involved. Here's the beauty of doing that. The beauty of doing that is that you're making your money work for you instead of leaving it in the bank with almost 0% interest. So at least then you're making about maybe 30, 50, or maybe even if you're lucky, or if you know what you're doing, £200 to £300 a month in an investment that you could have get almost maybe 0.001% if you left it in your savings account. So think about that. That's another way you could make passive recurring income. Number 3, suppose then you like property, right? You like real estate. Perhaps you want to do a direct real estate investment. And again, if you want to do that, you don't need 50, 60, 70, or maybe £100,000. You can literally start with minimal money directly investing in properties. You've got strategies like rent to rent, where you could rent a property and you subsequently rent it out in a room by room basis. That could give you another recurring income. Perhaps you could agree to buy a property now for some time in the future, what we call purchase lease option. You agree to buy it now for some time in the future. You'll take over the whole property. It could be £1 million property, it could be £2 million property, whatever that property may be for. You can agree with the landlord or with the homeowner, say, look, I can buy your property at this price for some time. That then gives you time to rent the property, or maybe renovate the property, or do whatever you want to do with the property to force the value of the property, or to allow the value of the property to go up. and then guess what, you buy that in the future. That could be another way you could start. Perhaps you haven't got any money. You can do a direct real estate investment without buying or acquiring the asset itself. You can be a wholesaler, or I would say a deal sourcer, for example. You can become a deal sourcer where you can go out there, look for property deals, negotiate on those deals, secure those deals, and you wrap that information and sell it onto people that have got money but do not have time to go and negotiate and look for these property deals. That could be another passive recurring income for you. Number 4, have you thought about buying and selling domain name? You may have never heard about this idea, but believe me, it's a massive market. You can go online, buy domains for like 10 to 100 pounds. You hold them for a while and you can sell them for tens of thousands of pounds. So that could be another way that you could actually start making recurring income with bare minimum risk in it. You can go look for a website, buy it for £5, £10, whatever that domain name is. You can then keep that and then put it on the market again and see someone is interested in buying that. I've seen someone recently made about £10,000 in one domain name that they bought about 3 months ago. So that could be another passive recurring income for you. Number 5, this is for you if you like taking photos, if you like taking images, if you like to keep memories. Have you thought about stocking those images and selling them online? Okay, that's another massive business out there, especially now where we are. We've got these smartphones. They've got the best amazing photos you can ever think of. Wherever you go, just take photos, because that is your hobby. You love it. Take these photos. There are platforms out there where you can put the stock images and you get paid for it. And again, you'll be doing that because not just because of the money, because obviously it's also you love taking photos. Because you love taking photos, instead of leaving these photos to waste, you can literally sell them online and you can get paid handsomely for it. The 6th idea is to sell print. Are you one of those that like to do procedures, checklists, or organization, or maybe drafting agreement and all that sort of thing? And again, if you're one of those, there's a platform where you can sell this thing, by making checklists on, for example, if someone is traveling, going on holiday, have you also made a checklist or maybe some sort of guide on how to enjoy the touristic attraction in London, for example, in Birmingham, in Cardiff? Have you pinpointed all this sort of thing is something that you can sell online. There's a platform called Etsy. Etsy is an amazing platform where you can go and sell all these ideas or all these procedures that you love doing yourself, because it takes about 10, 15 or maybe 20, maybe an hour to do a checklist for anything you want to create, and then you can whack that online and you can get paid for that as well. Number 7, this is my best and favorite one, is selling your ideas. If you are a mathematician, if you are a businessman, if you're a marketing manager, or if you're doing marketing, or if you're a student, whatever that may be for you, you can sell that idea to people. Suppose you're very good in math, you can set up an online platform where you can teach people maths, where you can teach children math, A-levels, GCSE. Suppose you're a businessman, you can teach people how to start their own businesses. It could be any sort of business. You can get paid for that handsomely as well. You can record all these online, put them online, whack them online. There's a platform where you can upload these videos where you get paid handsomely for uploading these sort of educational videos. Or perhaps you want to create your own website where you can sell your content yourself. Have you thought about that? Maybe you are a marketing person, you've gone to university, you've done marketing, you've done social media marketing. You can literally approach people like ourselves to actually work with us in a way that we can foster a win-win resolution for the services that you offer. Or perhaps you want to train people how to start their marketing agency, how they can start their social media marketing agency. So these are the 7 low risky ways you can create companies that will generate you passive recurring income. I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing next video.